It's a Peppermint Party. It's all full of fun. I love this collection. You're gonna see it right when you come in the front door here in Atlanta. The first thing that's gonna jump out at you, that jumps out at everybody, is the fact that we put the infinity lights inside of this tree. Now there are two different sizes of these infinity lights of candy canes. You can see it very well. We have a smaller one right here and a slightly larger one right here. Now, of course, having both sizes in this tree, both of them are selling very well. You can do so many things with these candy canes. They put two in the very top of the tree topper here. But again, remember your windows, remember your tables, remember your wreaths. These are incredible little infinity lights. The other part of this tree recipe that you're gonna have to see in Peppermint Party is our dangly little elves. This one's holding a candy cane, and there's another one that's a cousin, and he's holding a peppermint candy. We have a couple other dangle legs. We have a Santa that he's holding a candy cane. He is trending hot right now. And the other ornament out of this tree that is doing very, very well is this candy cane that looks like it is a glass candy cane with the candy right in the middle with a nice little ribbon. We have two trees in Peppermint Party. Let's go see our second tree and talk about the recipe over there. We are at our second tree, and on this recipe, there's something that kind of matches the tree up front. I want to point that out right away. We have a Frosty that's got some dangly legs on him, and as his little legs start to dangle, you can remember that the elf up front with the candy cane and the peppermint have that same kind of look, but we put them on separate trees. The other ornaments that are trending hot off of this tree this year include this glass ornament with the gnome, and what's great about this is a little nose that sticks out. That's a dimensional for that ornament. The other thing are the disc ornaments. The disc ornaments have designs with our gnomes and our snowman on them. A couple of gnomes are fixing up the Christmas tree, and the others are putting the magical hat on the snowman. Those disc ornaments are doing very well in this tree recipe. And the final element that is doing fantastically in Peppermint Party is this simple economy ribbon right here. Now this is a one-sided ribbon. It has a plaid, a nice green, black, and red. It's in Peppermint Party, but you know what? That little green look is just the touch that we needed. That ribbon is doing very well in Peppermint Party.